A couple of movies, Black Panther. I got a movie right now on Tubi. It's called Differences. Please check it out. But I'm here to support Project Unity. And for what we're doing, we're bringing Christmas in July. We're bringing gifts and we're letting our younger community know that we support them and we love them. I see a couple of cars out here that I want. This Silver Prowler. I love that. I'm hoping you guys can give that to me. If not, but I want to thank everyone for coming. This is a great opportunity. This is a great event. I want you to enjoy yourself. It's really hot, but I want you to enjoy yourself. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a great day.
And I'm going to announce the president of the River Vets Club, which is the host group that's helping us put this on, is Lorraine Butler. She's over there looking at, I believe that's a 68 Mustang. Lorraine, can you wave at everybody? That's our president of the River Vets Club. And River Vets Club own all these Corvettes lined up across the front. You guys, thank y'all so much for coming. If you would, we're going to do a thing called 50-50, where we collect $5 for per ticket. And around 3:30, we're going to look at who has the winning ticket, and they'll get half of all the money that's collected. That's the 50-50 ticket drawing. And for those of you that think you got an arm, I'm going to be in the Dunkin' take in just a little bit. And I want to see if you got an arm. So come on over there, bring the family, bring the little lady, the kids, to see if they can dunk me. I'm going to talk trash now, so don't think I'm not. Thank you, guys. And, and let me tell you something. The very, very best band in Colombia, best kept secret in Colombia, are the Rhythm 54. Those guys, you guys about to have a treat. If you're going to have a party or you got something big going on and you need a band, these are the guys that you definitely want to get to be playing at your event. I'm blessed and highly favored to have them at this event, and very, very thankful. And I want you guys to pick up some cards. Hey, y'all got some cards today? Okay, they have some cards. And if not, you go to my website, projectunityusa.org. I'm going to have them on there from now on. And I'm going to be pushing out information about different events that they're going to be playing at. So you guys come and see them. We thank you again. And I'm going to introduce the Rhythm 54 band coming up next. God bless you, brother.
Five or six of them if you need to. We have plenty. Thank you. Cards, C-A-R-D-S. Yeah. We want to thank, like I say, everyone for coming out today and supporting Project Unity. And Bruce, thank you, my brother, and for everything, man. And anyway, we're a classic rock and roll band, kind of old school, and we're here to play some good old rock and roll today. So y'all just enjoy yourself, have a great time, be blessed.
This first song is an original song, specially requested by Bruce, and it's called "I Love My Cadillac," written by Marvin Lusk over here.
tennis skirts on the back. She got a big V8 sitting there under the hood. She got a big V8 sitting there under the hood. You put the pedal to the metal, man, she runs so good. Well, I'm cruising down the road, cruising in my coupe-de-ville. Cruising down the road, cruising in my coupe-de-ville. Got the back top down, got my baby behind the wheel. I love my car, I love my Cadillac. I love my car, my 59 Cadillac. She got custom rims, she got tennis skirts on the back. Do it, Gary. Thank you so much. How's everybody feeling out there today? Right now, we're going to do a little Eagles for you. 1,